Hey, Mom.
Hi, Jen.
What are you doing?
We're about to make muesli. I did find organic oatmeal in bulk, which I'm pleased with, and it will be about half oatmeal. So in they go. I'm going to kind of stir them, which are also organic. Okay, we have organic raisins. They're supposed to be really good for us. Everybody likes them.
In they go.
In they go. We have some nice chia seeds. Ideally, you would keep these in the refrigerator, but since this will be eaten so quickly, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just throw them in there. I won't put in too much. Ideally, you would add this right before you eat it. However, this doesn't last long. And for a treat, I'm going to add a little organic coconut today. Normally I don't, but basically you can put in whatever you have in the house, whatever you like, and customize it to your people. I find that this is a breakfast that does not last long. It will need, I'm constantly remaking this, and every time I do it a little differently. Sometimes I might put in some different nuts or different fruits, or maybe a different grain. People like it. It's hard to keep it in the house. So have fun making and designing your own.
And I can confirm that it is delicious.